There's no question that curtains can make or break a room. The right set of curtains can add style and elegance to any space, while the wrong ones can make a room feel cluttered and uninviting. When it comes to choosing curtains for the bedroom, it's important to find a style that matches the overall tone of the space. If you're looking for bedroom curtains that will make a statement, here are 10 of the best. From sleek and modern styles to classic and traditional looks, there's sure to be a set of curtains that's perfect for your bedroom. Whether you're looking for light and airy curtains to let in some natural light or something a little more heavy-duty to help block out the sun, these 10 curtains are sure to do the trick. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Nicetown Blackout Curtains. Nicetown Curtains panels have considered one of the decent window curtains. Thank you for its decorative purpose as well as its functionality. It will provide you a lot of benefits and most importantly light blocking. On the other hand, it is made of high-density fabric layer that will protect your privacy as well as reducing lights that comes from outside. It will provide a comfortable setting. All thought to those individuals who have a problem to sleep during the day. It does so by automatically darkening the room and reducing the noise levels that come from outside. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Deckanovo Grommet Blackout Curtains for bedroom. Home is the best place to rest after having a hard day's work. You're required to make it a better place that does not have a lot of sunlight and always maintain the room temperature. Deckanovo insulated curtains will always keep your room cool during summer and retain the room temperature during winter season, making it perfect for late sleepers, seniors, computer operators, and students. This curtain contains silverfish grommets holes that are big enough to fit most rods. That makes it easy to hang this curtain and easy to slide. Also, it is machine washable with cold water for easy care. At number 3 on our list, we have the Muco Room Darkening Grommet Blackout Window Curtains Panels. The Muco Window Curtains panels is made to assist to block 100% of ultraviolet light and 90% of sunlight. It likewise helps to retain the room temperature particularly during winter and also reflect heat out of your room on summer, and it will ensure that you will not use extra coin on cooling or heating, saving you much on electricity bills. It will give a simple, elegant solution to decorate your room, and you will have a peaceful environment when you are sleeping. In addition to that, it does not wrinkle when you wash it or when hanging it on the window. At number 4 on our list, we have the Isellator Blackout Bedroom Curtains Set. Are you in need to keep away the light and have a peaceful atmosphere? The Isellator Room Darkening Curtains is exactly what you require. It is made of premium quality soft polyester and comes in 2 room darkening curtains that make it top-notch in the market. Consequently, it promises to rid your room from sunlight and bring decoration and luxury at the same time. Last but not least, the curtains features bronze metal grommets that will help you to hang the curtains effortlessly, as well as reducing noise, 100% UV blocking, 88% light blocking and thermal insulation. At number 5 on our list, we have the Blackout Curtains. Made of polyester material, thus it delivers on functionality as well as durability. Moreover, with its thermal coating technology, it gives several layers that will make an ultimate light blocking, energy saving as well as noise reducing from outside, letting you sleep regardless of the light or noise that is outside. These curtains will insulate heat especially during the winter as well as blocking ultraviolet rays from sun, thus you will save a lot of cash on cooling or heating your home. It is also machine washable in cold water and will stay clean as required. At number 6 on our list, we have the Dreaming Casa Teal Green Velvet Curtains. This is a well-designed curtain that will give the windows a modern and rich dressing look. It is perfect for all types of windows. On the other hand, it will reduce the sunlight from entering your room, providing you a nice break. You can hang the Dreaming Casa curtains on the kids' room, dining room, bedroom, or kitchen. The Dreaming Casa curtains are made of 100% polyester blend fabric that has a floral pattern that gives an elegant and delicate look. In addition to that, it has a rod pocket that is made of stainless steel that will fit well up to 2 inches curtain rod. At number 7 on our list, we have the Jihen Privacy SemiShear Curtains. This privacy sheer window curtains will assist your room to appear cozy and brighten up the room to appear beautiful. It also perfect for bigger windows because it is long and wide enough to fit any window. Consequently, it will bring soft sunlight to streaming in the room to give a great measure of privacy. The modification in color assists you to meet your room's color theme and comes in 6 different colors in order to match well your different room. In addition to that, the curtain is very dense and does not wrinkle anytime you wash. It is also machine washable. At number 8 on our list, we have the Pony Dance Home Decor Curtains. Pony Dance Matcha curtains are designed with elegance, functionality, and simplicity in mind. They offer a great combination of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship. On top of that, they are made by expert designers to bring your home decoration to the next level. The curtains will help to regulate the indoor temperature, saving you cooling and heating costs. They will also protect your furniture from being exposed to direct sunlight and reduce noise coming from outside. At number 9 on our list, we have the Yakamak Light Blocking Thermal Insulated. If you're looking for a way to control the light entering your room, Yakamak curtains are a great option. Made of triple weave fabric, these curtains will help you regulate the amount of light coming into your space. Each package comes with 2 panels, each measuring 52 inches wide by 84 inches long. Additionally, the 8 metal grommets make it easy to hang the curtains. Both sides of the curtains are the same color, providing a dark rate of around 95 to 99%. Additionally, they help to maintain the temperature inside your room during winter and block out 70% of ultraviolet rays and heat. Whether you're looking to create a more comfortable space or save on energy costs, Yakamak curtains are a great choice. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the kitchen curtains for dining room burlap linen tier. If you are looking for a window curtain that will create a pleasant and comfortable ambience in your home, the linen curtains are a great option. These curtains can reduce up to 60% of sunlight, making your home more comfortable. In addition, the linen curtains are available in 4 sizes, so you can select the size that will best fit your windows. The silver grommets on the curtains make hanging them easy and also make opening and closing the curtains simple. The linen curtains are machine washable in cold water and only require a low setting when ironing. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.